Vlogmas day 20. It's been 20 days since we started, you guys. We have 5 more days to go. It is currently 6:32. Barely getting our day started. 6:32 p.m., not a.m. But yay. Tomorrow you guys are in for a treat. Even I'm in for a treat as well.
One, two, test. 1, 2, 1, 2.
I'm gonna see how I can part my hair.
1, 2,
I showered, my hair is clean. See my
1, 2,
makeup.
1, 2. Some check. 1, 2.
Have that glow on. Drank water. What else? Drank tea. We're gonna do a little bit of sound check. And then, I don't know why one eye looks smaller than the other. I feel like one eye looks smaller than the other.
Oye, ese no sirve el switch.
Just keep my eyes like this.